Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Oh, Xena is super excited right now, like even more so than usual. We're out at the Sleeping Giant Park again, and we're at Thunder Bay Lookout. And we're just going to hike into Twinpine. It's 9 kilometers, it's about 12, and it's about halfway to the Giant. And we're going to camp there for the night. We're going to hike back out the way we came. So we're just going to go over to the lookout. We'll see here for a few minutes and then start on with our hike. Okay, so yeah. Oh. This is awesome up here. And there's quite a bit of snow on the ground in spots. And I see a little bit down there. Yeah, look at those cliffs. Now we'd be hiking all along the peninsula. Look at that, beautiful. This is quite freaky up here. Yeah, look at that. It's a freaky feeling standing on this thing. It's a long way down. Oh, it's a cold one now. It is, I believe right now it's -5 degrees. I think the coldest it's supposed to get is pretty much this. And tonight's not going to be too bad. I think they're saying -3. But I got enough warm clothing, I should be fine. And okay, so anyways, let's get going. Alright, all set to go. Okay, let's do this. In town, there's not really any snow left. We got a good snowfall there for a while. We had some snow and it's all gone now, but still lots of snow in here. Okay, Xena, let's go. The first thing I'm doing when I get to camp, get up there, just got to get a fire going to help warm up. Okay, so we're going to scramble up here. Don't think I'm going to do too much filming on the hike in. So we'll see how it goes. Wow, this part is so different here. It's so like open because there's no leaves. Normally this is just full of leaves and stuff and going through, and I can't even really see. Like there's Thunder Bay, and normally I can't even see that. Have some take a break here, have some lunch. About halfway to camp. Oh, I think I see some snowflakes. There's Clavette Bay right over there. That's where we took our break. not sure a big part of a deer skull. Well, it's always such a good feeling after a long, tough hike. Seeing that up ahead, you see it there, that's camp. That's where we're gonna camp. So after a long, tough hike, it's just like, oh, there's camp. You know, just get this pack off, get set relaxed, get set up and just relax the rest of the night. Well, anyways, let's go. There's some kind of tarp left there or something. Oh, nice. Oh, this is awesome. I'll get the camp set up now. And all the leaves there. All the leaves will be put in the tent right over there. All the leaves will make some good insulation. I see they still got that table here. Which is cool. So this, I think this was actually back. I don't know if it's just washed up from the lake. I think it was, I remember seeing it back behind there, just all bunched up. So somebody kind of cut it up and made a backing. It's like foam or something, super comfortable and pretty thick. So look at that. Yeah, that's pretty thick right there. And it's like an inch thick. But so comfortable, and it's got this nice backing on it. So that's awesome. I should keep you warm through the night. I should keep collecting firewood. It's just keeping myself busy. That helps me stay warm. If I want to just sit around, and that's when I start feeling cold. Glad we didn't come out last Thursday because it was so just gloomy all day. But tonight I get a nice beautiful sunset. I just want to give a couple shout outs to a couple other channels. I'd like to give a shout out to Hiking with Epilepsy. Check out his channel. And he's amazing what this guy does. He has epilepsy. He suffered a brain injury from a fall, and he gets seizures once in a while, but he doesn't let that stop him from hiking. So go check out his channel, and yeah, just be warned, he loves stoves. You want to know about stoves, go to him. And then my one other shout out to Open Road for Two. They got a great channel. They like to travel and explore different areas, and yeah, they're excellent channels. There's a couple, and yeah, go check them out. I'll put links to both channels in the description below, or up above here, wherever. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna just take Xena for this little stroll, see if she got to do her business, and then maybe come back here, get this fire going, and maybe have a nice hot coffee. That'll help me warm up. Nice fire, hot coffee, good to go. Well, what do you say? Get this fire going now? Yeah, what the hell? Why not? Oh, it's so cold now. Yeah. Get this nice and warmed up with this. Oh, I'm warm now. That's warming me up. Sausages tonight. Toasting up my buns on the rocks. Oh, these are gonna be so good. I brought some mustard too. A beautiful day though. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and clear. Nice, you guys are going to get the nice sunset. This spot here gets spectacular sunsets from here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Plus, they always get all this driftwood here. That makes it nice and easy for the fire. Xena's just lying down, chilling out. I think she's finally worn out. We hiked for like 2.5 hours to get here. Once we got here, pulled out her bag, or took off her pack, and started taking a couple things out of her pack, and she started getting her nose in there and found her ball in there, squeaky balls. There's 2 of them actually. And she'd been playing with them for quite a while. And then we took a little walk to do her business, and then, so yeah, she just finally settled down right back there. Chew on a twig there. Xena. Belly rubs. Xena was whining to go in the tent. And then she's like been standing there just watching me. She'll probably lay back down when I settle down in front of the fire. Good night, everybody. I'm going to sit, relax for a while, then head to bed. Well, I think I'm pretty warm for the night. I got, for my bottom half, I got my tights on, pajama pants over top of those, and jogging pants over top of that. And then for my upper half, I got a long sleeve compression shirt, long sleeve thermal shirt, and another long sleeve, kind of a thicker shirt, and this down jacket. And then I got my toque on, and this hoodie piece. It's just like a hood piece that goes over top. And then I got a neck warmer and my buff down here. I left the fire burning during the night. Always feel uncomfortable about that, but it's down to just coals. And I got a couple logs on there, like laying flat. So I think it'll be okay. Xena's all snug as a bug. She's pretty happy right now. She's pretty content. I know the cold doesn't bother her. She's husky. Part husky anyways. But she loves the cold. She thrives in it. It is 6:30 a.m. I was up at 5. Pretty cold. I was in the tent. Started to feel kind of cold, so I just had the alarm on my phone set for 6, but so I just got up. I thought, I'll get up now, get a fire going. So I've been sitting around the fire, just warming up. Last night, just went to go get the phone set up to do a time lapse of the sunset, and I set it up along the shore there. Started it, came back up, sit in front of the campfire. And I could look back. I could see where the phone is, make sure it didn't fall over, nothing. After about 10 minutes, I look over. Holy crap! There's a lynx. It's just standing there staring at me. I was like, oh my god! I don't know too much about lynx, and he's a big guy too. He's about the size of Xena. Xena was in the tent sleeping, so she didn't see him, or even she didn't smell him, nothing, or hear him. I didn't even hear him, not a peep. Like I didn't hear nothing. And I got up and I went over, and he just took off. And again, as he took off, didn't hear a sound. Like, he was so silent as he ran away. And I wish I got some video footage of him. I was like, my phone was right there doing the time lapse, but I didn't want to ruin the time lapse. And Plus, by the time I grab the phone and change it to the normal setting and get the video of them, it would have been too late anyway. The moon looks really cool right over the top of Thunder Bay right now. Well, we're all packed up here and ready to head out. So I'm not going to film any of the hike out. I just want to just keep moving and keep warm. So it'll be about 2.5 hour hike out, maybe 3, yeah, about 2.5, because we won't be stopping to film it all. So anyways, thanks again for tuning in. Please subscribe and please give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Xena. Let's go. Okay.